Hi everyone and welcome to the Swift tutorial here at Codico Tutorials. Today we are going to explore the fundamental data types in Swift like strings, integer and booleans. They are essential for any programming journey, so let's dive right in. What are the strings? As you can see, I added the market comments here where you can do everything and you can find the basic types and this playground file directly on the GitHub. I will post the source code. You can find in the video description. Well, what are strings? Strings are sequences of characters, basically. They can be words, sentences, or even just a single characters. In Swift, strings are included by double quotes, and we can create a constant like let greetings, where it's automatically inferred of type string. This is a very useful, interesting feature about Swift programming language. Then I've created a string. I will create a constant with the like words called greetings, where I put and the value is inside the double quotes a string. Hello world. Boom, guys. But you can create a string by assigning a value to a variable or a constant. And here is how you can concatenate two strings. And there are various ways. Let me show an example. Let's suppose we want to make these greetings two different variables, two different strings. We can do by doing like let first word where it's equal to word, hello, yeah. Second, I made option D on the keyword, command D, okay, command D, boom, command Z, okay, command D, cmd, D on the keywords, and boom, you can duplicate the child. You can create this line, and second word, and the second word in that case is hello world, boom. Okay, let's see, I didn't add this one and the space in this case. Don't worry, I can re-add this back again in a different way, by using let full sentence where it's equal to first word plus, as you can see, this is the Swift assist that help us to, based on the AI pass, to know what we have to do. Okay, let first word is equal to this one, a single string, empty string. Then we have to add the comma followed by the space followed by another concatenation string like second word, it's a word, yeah, and by ending with the exclamation mark, and boom, if I put this full sentence, I can see hello world, yeah, like this one, but in this one, then not in one but divided. Well, good, try to run this, guys. Well, and this is the full sentence, but we could also do in a different way, like by using string interpolation. Okay, let's suppose I want to add username is equal to John, let age it's equal to yeah, and let username and surname John, surname oh, okay, look at this. Okay, done this one, I guess. Okay, yeah, oh, yeah, been good. Then what we can do, it's okay, look at this, they protected me, boom. These are the string concatenation. That let me do let, yeah, like this, maybe. Good, thanks, Swift assist, yeah. And this is personalized greetings, but this is now the white, but yeah, I created a variable personalized greetings with the hello username. Okay, this is the string interpolation. Okay, it's the backslash followed by two square brackets, and inside the square brackets I have to put the value I want to assign, like a booleans, like a numbers, another variables, like in this case, yeah. You are, I don't know, 30, yeah, years old and have this magnifico as the admin of, oh yeah, yes, great man, very very great. And this is about the strings, but if we want to talk about string, we could do a lot of extraordinary things, guys, but this is this. But if you want to get more about Swift in a little bit more depth tutorials, I mean not tutorials, I will make an announcement about something very useful about Codico. Codico. Oh, what's that? Yeah. Choose add-ons. Wow. Okay, now let's talk about integers. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 28. Oh, damn, it's my age. No, please. Okay, what are integers, guys? Well, integers are whole numbers, either positive, negative, or zero. In Swift, integers are represented by int type with the capital letters. Then we can do count of apples. It's 23 apples. Okay, this is positive number. I put of type int, and this is explicitly inferred as integer type. Okay, but it's not it's not, basically it's not mandatory, but for some complex queries, computation and more, it's probably mandatory, you know. But in this case, not at all. But when you have to make highly precision calculation, computation more, guys, yeah. Okay, and let negative count probably, or negative number, negative count like an integer, of integer, negative integer, like -12. Okay, then this is the positive integer and this is a negative integer. Okay, are you okay, console, or what? Yeah, okay. And then, but we could also speak about signed and unsigned integers. Swift primarily use signed integers, int, this one, yeah, which can represent both positive and negative numbers. However, you can also use unsigned integers with the u before the I, where int, ui, yeah, like UI user interface, by the way, in the case, guys, UI, yeah, capital and int for positive numbers only. That means that we only need positive numbers as mandatory, like let unsigned number, well, it's of type int, well, it's probably 100, and cannot be negative. Then what does it mean? This means that this console should be works now, because I don't know, yeah. Okay, well, as you can see, 100, 23, 23, and -12. Okay, but if probably, this number will be negative. No, please don't, cannot be negative. Yeah, as you can see, cannot be negative. This overflow when stored into unsigned type uint and blah 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 the error, because it's saved by the IDE, by the compiler, to warn you about that. Okay, well, it's fine. But now let's talk a bit of arithmetic operations, basic arithmetic operation. Okay, we have to back to school. I don't know. Well, now let's talk about the basic arithmetic, because you can perform basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And we could do like this, like sum, where is equal to 5 plus 5, or difference. Oh, look at this. Okay, but please. difference where is 5 minus 5, where it will be equal to 0, followed by let product, yeah, and this is 5 times 5, okay, and the last is the quotient, like 5, okay, and yeah, the sum will be 10, yeah, as you can see, 5 plus 5, it's 10. Wow, now let's look to came to the 0 difference. 5 minus 5 will be 0, and that's 0, guys. And product 5 times 5 is 25, and last the quotient, it's quotient, sorry if I don't spell properly, it's quotient, it's 5 quotient 5, yeah, it's 1, okay. And this is what about the integer types in Swift. But now let's talk about the Booleans. Oh, what's that? Yeah, Booleans, we have to think about lights. Okay, this is one of the very basic example I could do as a real world example. Okay, you go to your bedroom, okay, but you have to turn on the lights because we are in the midnight. Okay, let's suppose you are in the midnight, you have to wake up and, I don't know, go to the bed, or go to the bath, or go to the kitchen and drink something like a milk or cereal, yeah, or a tea, okay, and eat something. Well, okay, you have to turn on the lights. Well, you wake up, you turn on the lights, you use Alexa or whatever you have, or you do it, or with a switch, you turn on the lights, boom, the light is on, and this is true, or 1. Then is light on as a private Boolean as this one, okay. Then is light on if I have Boolean explicit type, because we add the explicit type in that case of bool, where is equal to true. Is light off, we could also remove this bool in this case, and is light off of false, yeah, boom. Then I could do like if is light on, like print the light is, yeah, look at this, the light is on, and add the lights emoji is great, guys, boom. Otherwise the light is off. Then what we can do is to run the program here and look at the output. Good. Yeah, sorry, it's here because I printed out. Okay, is light on? Yeah, and then the light is on. Or this now became false, and from this block of code move to another block, to the else block case, to else block, and then it will print the light is off. Let's try back again, and boom, the light is off, guys. Now come back to the show. Well, and done. But we could also use different operation, like in Booleans. We could also use the logical operations like and, or, and not. And we do in this oh my keyboard, in this case, and this is the end, or this is the or not. The light is not on. If the light is not true, this means, okay. Now let's suppose I want to do an example like let is admin, where is this equal to true, and let is moderator, where is equal to false, And okay, is admin? Yeah, true. And is moderator? False. Now if I do if is admin or moderator, then what we're going to print is you have admin or moderator rights. Yeah, boom. And this is what it will print, guys. If is admin or is moderator, then if one of the two, this means that you have admin, you have one of these two rights, then you have the admin or moderator rights. Boom, guys. This is, and that's it. Learn Swift 6 basic types: string, integer, and bool. Well, guys, and that's it for today. For this tutorial, you now have a solid understanding about what are strings, integer, and booleans in Swift. This is the basic example of some use cases and also real scenarios of how you can implement code, what are strings and how to do some basic operation like this, like interpolation, like concatenation, so on. How to use integers to know some basic type of numbers, in this case integers. We didn't talk about floats or double, single and double precision, 32 and 64 bits, but we go deep in future tutorials. And also in the codical course I will let you know when I do the announcement. Stay tuned. And also the booleans like 0 1 1 1 1 2 2 2 0 1 1 2, okay, 0 1 1 0 blah blah, or the lights, and boom, true false. And then that's it. Then what you have to do is to practice these concepts to become more comfortable with them, and you can do whatever you want. Then if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button if you like this button, if you find useful, and comment below to provide any kind of useful information, advice, and so on. And then that's it, because it's codical and you can find me here, and boom, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. And yeah, thank you guys. Thank you very much. Bye.